This is a normal ESP8266, and if I attach a LED with the pin number 12, it starts blinking. And I have programmed this ESP8266 with C++. But as you all know that the C++ syntax are little complex. So what if I told you that we can run MicroPython on this ESP8266? Yes, you heard that right, we can run MicroPython. So let's learn how to install MicroPython firmware on this ESP8266, and we will program the LED to blink it using Python. The first step is to install the MicroPython firmware. So we have to go to this link. I will share this link with you in the video description. Scroll down and you will see the latest firmware. Click on it, so the download will done. And make sure that we have to place this MicroPython firmware on the known directory. For that, I will go to the desktop and create a new folder with the name ESP8266 and hit enter. And I will move this firmware by Ctrl X and I will paste it here like this. Now we have to install a special tool to flash this firmware on ESP8266, which is esptool. So for that, open the terminal in your system and write a command pip install esptool and hit enter. So you will see I have already installed the ESP tool in my system. To verify the ESP tool, we have to run a command python -m ESP tool and hit enter. So you will see something like this, which means that we have successfully installed the ESP tool on our system. Now the next thing is we have to erase the existing firmware from the ESP8266. For that, I will be connecting ESP8266 with my system. Okay, now we have to open the device manager to check the port for ESP8266. So you will see the port which we have connected is COM3. So we have to run another command, which is this, and change the COM port from 5 to 3 and hit enter, so that our existing firmware should delete from the ESP8266. Now we have to move our current directory to the directory where we have stored the MicroPython firmware. For that, I will go to my desktop and I have also created the one folder which is ESP8266. So I will on the current directory. Now I will run another command, which is this, and make sure that the COM port you have selected is the exact COM port which your system was detected, and we have to pass the exact firmware name. So I will go to the file manager and copy the name from here and make sure that the extension should be .bin. So I will go to the terminal and I will give .bin and hit enter. So now you will see the firmware is started installing on ESP8266. And we are done with the firmware installation. Now let's run the MicroPython firmware on ESP8266. For that, I have installed a Thony software, Thony IDE basically. Yeah, you will see over here ESP8266 is showing. So you'll write a simple LED blinking program, which is and as we run the program, our LED should start blinking. Oh, so there is an error which says machine. So our LED should start blinking. Now you can compare both the syntaxes. This is our MicroPython syntax and this is our C++ syntax. In the MicroPython, we don't need to write the void setup and void loop. We simply write while true and our code will run infinite time until the loop will not break. So this is it for today. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.